Hello! This video introduces the Avian Influenza Total Diagnostic System. Avian influenza is a viral disease that causes mortality, respiratory symptoms, and reduced egg production in poultry. Some subtypes can also infect humans. When a poultry showing suspected symptoms is found on a farm, the farmer must immediately report it to the quarantine agency. A quarantine officer visits the farm and collects samples from the suspected poultry. At the farm, the veterinarian can perform a point-of-care test using the Avian Influenza Virus Antigen Rapid Kit. Regardless of the rapid antigen test result, all collected samples must be sent to an authorized avian influenza diagnostic laboratory. First, the Avian Influenza Real-time PCR Premix A is used to detect the common avian influenza gene. Samples that test positive with Premix A are then analyzed with Premix B to simultaneously identify the three major avian influenza subtypes. Median Diagnostics is setting the standard for the diagnosis of avian influenza. Thank you for watching.